True or false? You can only act in projects that are right for you.
False.
It's not a requirement to have gone through what the character's gone through in order for you to act truthfully. You have to have an active imagination. Sanford Meisner said, the most important ingredient for an actor is a childlike imagination. Let me use an example from this book to help drive this home. The book, by the way, is my buddy's book, Kill the Dog by Paul Guyot. The first book on screenwriting to tell you the truth. I know this is a writing book, but I think there's some overlap. There's a great chapter, the Write What You Know chapter, chapter 4. And Paul says, here's what write what you know does not mean. If you're a barista, you should only write stories about making or serving coffee. It does not mean if you work in a convenience store in Wichita, Kansas, and have never been outside the state, you should not write about dragon riding princesses battling giant laser-eyed creatures across Middle Earth. Here's what he says, write what you know does mean. Write what's inside you. Write what frightens you. Write what excites you. Write what compels you. Write the things you know. It means put your experiences into writing, or in this case, put your experiences into acting. Your internal experiences, your feelings. It doesn't mean write about hiking if you're a hiker. It means write about how hiking makes you feel and why you love it. The principle is the same in acting. Art is an outer mold of your inner life. If you don't know what artistic choices to make, get acquainted with your inner life. Journal about this. Journal, what do I love? What do I hate? What do I fear? What do I desire? Get to know you better, and you can start to make outer moldings that reflect that inner life. The circumstances under which we act truthfully are imaginary. And by the way, a lot of my acting students, a lot of people that follow me on this platform, love to write or want to write, have a desire to write. Check this book out, Kill the Dog by Paul Guyot. I'm going to tell you right now, I do not suggest a lot of writing books. I've read most of them, if not all of them, on screenwriting because I am a writer as well. It's very refreshing to have this book and to recommend this book very highly. So check out the link that I'm putting up here, but also hit me up and follow Screenwriting Truth, Paul's page on here. He's accessible, he's informative. Every video has some great knowledge. He's just sharing some of the best stuff. He's fighting the good fight. He's holding the line for what it means to be a great artist, a great writer, and he's phenomenal. So check out his book. It's truly great. I wouldn't recommend it if it wasn't, I swear. I hope this video helped you, and follow for more acting and maybe screenwriting tips like this one.